Hi, my lovelies. Welcome back to the channel. Today you have just me, Ari. I am at work, of course. You guys, I forgot my lunch bag. Can you believe that? So today we are having a pita club sandwich, and it is 580 calories. That's all I'm gonna have today. And of course, I'm gonna have my Dr. Pepper. Why wouldn't I? Right? Why wouldn't I? If you are new, please consider subscribing, hit that like button, and make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified each and every time me or Mo post a new video. You guys, today has been a good day so far, so good. Okay. Alright. Pita? I've never had pita before. This is my first time having pita. You guys excuse my nails. I am trying to take them off because I'm going to get a new set. It is no more Valentine's Day, so don't come at me for the nails. A pita club sandwich. Lettuce, tomato, onion, cheese, and guess what I'm gonna do? I sure am. Add some extra calories, why not? Call me SpongeBob, call me whatever you like. I'll be whatever character you guys want me to be, as long as they pay me to be that character, right? Right. You guys, we had a really amazing live. An amazing live, guys. These lives have been crazy. These trolls have been coming for me like ain't nobody's business. You guys, my wife is at home chilling. She is healing. God blessed us, you guys. And with that beautiful rainbow cast, we are blessed. We are blessed to have subscribers that care about us, to get her what she needs and wants, to be comfortable. Sorry, guys, we have the mayonnaise coming out. You see, I'm trying to. This is amazing. A club pita sandwich? Have you guys ever had that? This is my first time having a club pita sandwich. And you guys, so when I came out, I went to the snack store where everybody runs to, and the men are being so rude. They're like, he slams the door on me. I'm like, wow. And then when I went to the restroom earlier today, they were smoking weed inside there, guys. And then the security guard is waiting by the door when I come out. I'm the one who looked like the bad guy, you know? I felt so horrible. I'm like, it wasn't me. I don't do that stuff. I'm too grown for that. Eat that, guys. Too close. But today, so far, I'm having a really good day. I finished my training. It was easy because I already know what I'm doing. I know the field that I'm in. So they were basically just telling me what I already knew, but their way, you know? Because when you go to a different facility, of course, they're going to have it their way better than somebody else's way. And I like it their way because their way is way more professional, way more better, way more cleaner. Just everything is different. Everything is better. And I give it a 10 out of 10. We do get a 30-minute lunch break. That's amazing. Last time, I only had 10 minutes. And today I only have 10 minutes too because I had to go use the restroom and then I had to go in the snack store and figure out what I felt like eating. I was going to grab a salad, but the salad had so much stuff in it. Garner, I saw the salad, guys. No, thank you. I don't want that. So I never had pita. So I was like, I'm going to try this pita sandwich. I miss you guys so much. I'm going to hug all of you guys. I miss my bestie. I miss you guys. Only if you guys were here with me, we would have so much fun. But you guys better be getting on them nails, because I'm watching. If I'm not watching, Mo's watching from the bed. She's watching. She got her phone right in front of her face. She's watching. I can't believe we hit the goal, guys. It's crazy. You guys are amazing to hit that goal like that. Lisa, shout out to you, Lisa. You're just an amazing individual. Literally. Lisa, Watson, my mods, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. You guys hear the airplane? One second. Like I said, once a week. Cheers. I love you guys so much. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to smash that bell so you can get notified each and every time we post another video. Love you guys so much. Bye.